Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the Google Play Store download pending problem. So let's get started. Like I want to update my Google Chrome, but you can see that it is in pending and Google Play Store is not able to make this update successful, and like this you are facing the problem that you cannot download any app and this is in the pending. So let me guide how to solve this problem. So you have to just move back and tap and hold the Play Store and click on the info of Play Store. Like you will find as a tab at the interface, you have to just click on the force stop option and then click OK. This is the most effective method to solve your problem. If it is not working, you have to just move on the next step. You have to open your Play Store and click on the icon of your account, and then you have to just select the settings option here, and here you will find an option of network preference. Just click on it, and here you have to make sure that at the app download preference you have selected over any network, and then click on the done option. And now at the bottom of the page you have to just click on the about option here and then scroll down, and you can see that the Play Store is not updated. You have to just click on the update Play Store and then click on the got it option here. After this your problem will be solved. So let's move back. So I just check that this method works or not. I just click on the update option and now it is pending, but you have to be patient for a while. You can see that the process of updating has been started successfully, so you have to be patient for a while. After that your problem will be resolved successfully. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.